Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change out the fog light bulbs in a Honda Z, a 98 plus Honda Z. Depending on the type of bumper you have, it might be a little different, but I doubt it because what we've discovered, myself and another Z homie, is it's probably the same bumper, it's just slightly modified. Now I've already taken my bumper off. Don't worry about it. It might be the easiest bumper to remove. What it is there are, here we go. So you have a Phillips screw on each side of the bumper, one right here, and then one on the opposite end. So we're looking at the front. So you have two screws. Everything else are these. Yeah, so technically they may have what call pop rivets, but you understand when you're looking at it what these are. So there are two of these on the top, and there are two on the bottom. You got two pop rivets, and then this, and I'll show you on the front. And on the bottom, you have two more, and I'll show you here in a second what I'm talking about. You're going to be tempted to remove these just because they're visual and they're there, but you don't need to remove them, as you can see, because the bumper is already off. One thing, though, is once you remove your bumper, you have to disconnect, just like any normal car. You have to disconnect the fog light, whatever other lights you have. This is the vertical or the horizontal signals. And then of course I have another connector here for the little pole lamp that not everybody seems to have. Pole lamp negative, pole lamp power. And then here's the driver's side. Most likely this is what yours is going to look like. Fog light harness and signal harness. Okay, now we're looking at the bumper. I've already changed out the fog lights. Don't worry about it. It doesn't matter because you don't have to see me do it. I'll just tell you what you have to do. So this is the top of the bumper. So this is the little piece that I just talked about that kind of holds it up. This is one of the pop rivets. This is one of the pop rivets. And then on the bottom, this is one of the larger ones. This is one of the larger ones. That's it. Okay, so how do you change the fogs? So in this specific model, because if you can't reach in there and turn it, if you see this metal plate, the only thing you can do is take it off. So remove the bumper, and you have 4 screws. You might want to hit them with some WD-40 if they look like they haven't been removed. So you take out these 4 screws. This whole bracket is one thing. You pull it, you just kind of rotate it and pull it out. And then you have to take off these 3 screws as well. This cover comes out. And then inside you have your H3 bulbs. I replaced mine with some LED versions, but it's still the same deal. You have to unplug this from the harness. You have to yank on it really hard. You'll get it out, and then you just replace your bulb. One thing I had to do with my bulb, and I already have it installed, but on the aftermarket one that I bought, this little area where my finger is wasn't as wide as it should be, and this little open area here wasn't as open either. So what I did is I took a Dremel, because it was aluminum. I took a Dremel and I just slightly adjusted it, and then this was able to seat in properly, and I was able to clamp it down. Okay, as you guys can see, again, this is how the bumper goes on. I actually don't have any of the little pins connected, but just for illustration purposes, one goes here and one goes here, and that's it. These two don't matter. And then again, the screw goes up under here. And then there's 2 at the bottom, one on that side, one on this side. The push connectors are sitting over here. So yeah, just like the beginning of the video, you guys see the fog lights are on there. They are plenty bright. I feel like this video doesn't even tell you how bright they are, but super quick, super easy. Actually, no, it's a pain in the ass because you shouldn't have to take your bumper off. But that is how you do it, guys. So give me a follow, give me a like, and I'll catch you next time.